This is Dina Sowers. Dina Sowers, look for the flowers. I'm at Bayshore Commons, and I'm going into their clubhouse and show you the pool. So here's the clubhouse. I'm losing daylight, so I'm gonna go through this real quick. Here's the clubhouse. They've got bathrooms over there. Really nice clubhouse. They actually have a full kitchen there. I'm turning too fast. I'm gonna get everybody motion sick. All right, and then they've got this great pool out here. Nice lap pool. And it overlooks this nice pond, and it overlooks, I don't know if I can zoom in and see it because my camera is not the best, but that is an eagle's nest. We've got eagles here. It's beautiful. Come out to Bayshore Commons. Come and look at the very few townhomes they have left. Contact me for more info.